Hello my friends, it's Dani, and today I'm sharing a garden fresh tomato and cucumber salad with avocado and fresh herbs. This delightful salad screams summer and would be perfect to bring along to any barbecue or cookout, and is also delicious on its own. So I'm going to start by making a very simple dressing. If you've been with me for a while, you know I love making these very simple vinaigrettes. So to get started, I've got 2 cloves of crushed garlic, then 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper. Whisk that together and set it aside. So simple, so bright, so flavorful. Now for the salad, we're gonna start with tomatoes. You want 3 good-sized tomatoes, and honestly, it doesn't really matter what type of tomato you use. I recommend that what you do is you look for the most beautiful, most in-season, ripest, best-smelling tomato you can get your hands on, because that's what's gonna taste the best. Honestly, I was a little disappointed in my personal tomato selection, but it'll do the job. So all I do is cut them into bite-sized pieces and get them into a nice big bowl. If you are using baby tomatoes, then you would just slice them in half. Next, I'm gonna chop up 1 large English cucumber. I love English cucumbers for this recipe because they don't have any seeds, so they're not gonna water the salad down. Plus, they have the best texture because they're extra crunchy. Next, I need a little bit of thinly sliced red onion. You don't need much, but it does add a beautiful color and great texture to the salad. If you really don't like raw red onion and you want something a bit milder, then go ahead and swap in some sliced scallions. Okay, next up we've got 2 avocados. Now this is gonna add a really rich, creamy texture to the salad, which is a little bit unexpected and also makes the salad a little bit heartier. Now my favorite way to cut an avocado is I lay the avocado on my cutting board, I put my knife in there, vertical slice, and then I rotate the avocado around the knife, right around the pit that's in the center. Once it's open, gently tap my knife into that pit, give it a wiggle, and it pops right out. Then I just scoop the avocado up and give it a chop. Then right over the top, I'm gonna sprinkle some fresh herbs. The fresh herbs really elevate the flavor of the salad, so don't skip this, and you can use any combination of summer herbs that you love or that you have on hand. I'm gonna do a bit of fresh basil and some fresh chopped parsley. Give that a little bit of salt and pepper over the top, and then I'm just gonna take that dressing that we made, drizzle it over those veggies, gently mix all of this together. And this is ready to go. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. This is summer in a bowl. It's bright, fresh, and seriously addicting. I cannot wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. This salad would be perfect served right alongside my simply grilled chicken or my crispy skinned salmon. Both so good. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dani Spies, and I will see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers.